In December 2023, the US Air Force Base at Langley experienced an unusual incident involving a series of unidentified drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, varied in size and configuration, raising concerns despite not posing a direct threat. However, the situation prompted the US to deploy the NASA WB-57F aircraft, typically used for missile testing, to better understand the scope of the issue. This marked a significant escalation in efforts to address potential vulnerabilities. 10 months after these initial encounters, the leadership at Langley Air Force Base revisited the issue, focusing on the need to enhance the protection of their prized fifth-generation stealth fighters, the F-22 Raptors. They proposed an unorthodox yet increasingly necessary solution: drone defense nets. As the war zone noted, this move underscored a growing concern that the US military may be lagging in its ability to respond to modern threats, particularly those posed by small, unmanned drones, especially on domestic soil. Earlier this month, the 633rd Squadron at Langley formally issued a request for information regarding the procurement of a drone defense net. This net would be deployed to protect 42 open-air sun shelters used for the F-22 Raptors. The goal is to deter and ultimately prevent drone intrusions, especially by smaller UAVs. These defense systems are primarily designed to counter Group 1 drones, such as the DJI Matrice 300 RTK. Group 1 drones typically weigh about 9 kilograms or roughly 20 pounds and can reach speeds of up to 115 miles per hour. These smaller drones, while less sophisticated, are still capable of causing significant disruptions, especially if deployed in large numbers or in sensitive areas such as military airfields. The materials required for these defense nets include polyester or nylon, though other materials meeting specific criteria would be considered. These criteria are stringent. The net must be moisture resistant, resistant to UV radiation, and able to withstand temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. In addition, the net must be able to endure wind gusts of up to 40 miles per hour, ensuring it remains functional in challenging weather conditions. A key requirement for the drone net is that it must be easy to install and remove without disrupting daily operations. It cannot obstruct aircraft movements on nearby taxiways, a crucial consideration for maintaining operational readiness at an active airbase like Langley. It's worth noting that Langley is not the only US airbase expressing concerns over drone threats. Seymour Johnson Air Force Base, for example, has previously sought options for passive drone defenses, including similar anti-drone nets. As drone technology becomes more accessible and versatile, military installations around the world are recognizing the importance of staying ahead of potential threats, particularly those posed by UAVs, which can vary from recreational devices to more serious security risks. The growing reliance on drones by various actors, from state adversaries to non-state groups, highlights the need for comprehensive defense strategies. While some advanced air defense systems are focused on large-scale, high-speed aerial threats, smaller drones present a unique challenge, especially in low-intensity asymmetric scenarios. These systems need to evolve rapidly to ensure that military installations, equipment, and personnel remain protected from emerging drone-based threats. Even though there's increasing talk in the US about retiring the F-22 Raptor, it remains a vital asset for the military. The F-22 was specifically designed as the world's premier air superiority fighter, and it continues to dominate in air-to-air combat. Its unmatched combination of stealth, speed, and agility allows it to outmaneuver and defeat adversaries in dogfights, while remaining nearly invisible to enemy radar systems. This stealth capability, paired with advanced avionics and weaponry, gives the US a crucial advantage in any contested airspace. The F-22 is indispensable when it comes to operating in high-threat environments, particularly against adversaries like Russia and China, who have developed sophisticated air defense systems. In such scenarios, the F-22's ability to evade detection and strike with precision is critical to maintaining US air dominance. Its primary mission is to achieve air superiority, ensuring that no enemy aircraft can challenge US forces in the sky. This makes the F-22 a key tool in defending other assets, including less stealthy aircraft and ground forces. While comparisons are often made between the F-22 and the F-35, the two aircraft serve different roles. The F-35 is a multi-role fighter capable of performing a variety of missions, from ground strikes to intelligence gathering and electronic warfare. The F-22, however, is optimized for air-to-air combat. It's designed to take out enemy aircraft swiftly and decisively, clearing the skies for the F-35 and other US assets to complete their missions. The two planes complement each other, enhancing the overall capability of the US military's air power. One of the F-22's most valuable traits is its stealth technology, which was revolutionary at the time of its development and remains superior to most other aircraft in service today. Its ability to operate undetected by radar gives it a distinct edge, particularly in environments where enemy air defenses are strong. While newer aircraft like the F-35 also incorporate stealth features, the F-22's design and mission focus give it an edge in air superiority operations. In a conflict with a near-peer adversary, the ability to avoid detection and engage enemy aircraft before being spotted would be a decisive advantage. Beyond its battlefield capabilities, the F-22 serves as a powerful deterrent. Its presence in key global regions such as the Asia-Pacific or Eastern Europe signals US strength and commitment to allies. The mere fact that the F-22 can be deployed to hotspots around the world reassures allies, while warning adversaries that the US retains unmatched air dominance. With tensions rising in areas like the South China Sea or along NATO's eastern borders, the F-22 remains a vital tool for projecting power and maintaining global stability. Another reason the F-22 remains critical is the technological edge it provides. Despite being developed in the 1990s, its avionics, radar systems, and sensor fusion capabilities are still cutting edge. These systems allow the F-22 to not only dominate in combat, but also to act as an information hub, sharing battlefield data with other aircraft and ground units. This ability to coordinate with other forces makes the F-22 a force multiplier on the battlefield, amplifying the effectiveness of the entire US military. One of the challenges with the F-22, however, is its limited production. Only 187 operational aircraft were built before the production line was closed. This scarcity makes each F-22 incredibly valuable, and the decision to end production has only increased its importance. Every F-22 in service must be meticulously maintained to ensure its readiness, and the small fleet size means the US has to be strategic about how and where the aircraft is deployed. This limited availability further highlights its critical role in maintaining US air dominance. The discussions about retiring the F-22 are tied to the high costs of maintenance and the desire to shift resources toward newer platforms. However, no aircraft currently in development or service can fully replace the F-22's unique combination of stealth, speed, and air superiority capabilities. Retiring it would leave a significant gap in the US military's ability to control the skies in high-threat environments, especially as potential adversaries continue to improve their own fighter aircraft and air defense systems. Ultimately, the F-22 remains indispensable for the US military. Its unrivaled performance in air-to-air combat, ability to operate in contested airspace, and critical role in supporting broader US military operations make it a cornerstone of American air power. While modernization efforts are important, the F-22 continues to provide capabilities that are not easily replicated, and its role in securing US air dominance is likely to endure for years to come.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.